If you recollect, if you have a brief idea about that, just try to recollect that there are 3 criteria. Are you able to? So, these are like novelty, non-obviousness and utility or industrial application, right. So, we call it as a trinity of patent. So, when we do the substantial examination or substantive examination of a patent, we check these 3 important kind of that important things, that is a novelty, non-obviousness and that industrial application. How to do that and all that details are there. A separate video is recorded for this novelty separately, non-obviously separately, industrial application separately. So, I am just sharing one of the video and then you can just get the idea about that particular details about that novelty, non-obviousness. But before entering into that video, what I want to share with you, that along with that there is another important substantive examination is a section 3 of a patent act is there, which talks about invention which are not patentable. So, when the examiner do the